This video will review over how to approach and solve momentum problems as they would appear in a physical science class. Now, momentum is defined as the property or the tendency of a moving object to continue moving. So for an object that's moving in a line, the momentum is the mass of the object multiplied by its velocity. So a slowly moving, very massive body and a very rapid moving light body could technically have the same momentum. Now let's see how this would show up in a problem. Now do remember that in physical science we are given our equations, and we have the equation momentum equals mass times velocity. We are given a problem typically in word form, and we will be given two of the three components of our equation, and we solve by an algebraic method. The key is to take the components out of our word problem and to place them in the correct area of our equation. So a motorcycle has a mass of 250 kilograms and a velocity of 68 meters per second. What is its momentum? Momentum equals mass times velocity. So 250 kilograms times 68 meters per second, and we would get our answer in meters per second. Here we have a second example of a momentum problem. Now on this example we will have 10 kilogram wagon, and it has a speed of 25 meters per second. What is its momentum? Now do remember that momentum equals mass times velocity. So that we will take our mass, which is 10 kilograms, times our speed, which is 25 meters per second, multiply those out, and we would have a momentum of 250 kilograms per meters per second. A third example of momentum, 10 kilogram dog chases a rabbit north at 6 meters per second. What is the momentum? Momentum equals mass times velocity. The mass of the dog is 10 kilograms. The speed the dog and the rabbit are going is 6 meters per second. We multiply this out and we have 60 kilograms per meter per second as our momentum. Now here we have a momentum problem that's a little bit different than our previous slides. We have a large truck that's loaded with scrap steel. It weighs 14 metric tons. It's traveling north on the interstate heading for Chicago. It has an average of 48 HMH for the journey, and it has traveled over 1,450 kilometers so far. It has just stopped to refuel. What is its current momentum? Now do remember that momentum equals mass times velocity. Because the truck has just stopped and our velocity is 0, we would have a momentum of 0. So just be aware that if we have an object that's not moving, there will not be a momentum attached. Now here we have a momentum problem that states how fast is a car traveling if it has a mass of 2,200 kilograms and a momentum of 28,000 kilograms per meter second. Remember that momentum equals mass times velocity. Our momentum is 28,000. Our velocity is our unknown, that is x, and our mass is 2,200. So we have plugged these numbers into our equation. We solve for x, and so we would see that our car is traveling at 12.72 meters per second.